Hi guys, welcome to Queen Bee's World. Today I will be sharing with you guys how I make this magical night cream. So let's get started. The first thing that we need is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E and beta carotene, which gives it its nourishing and anti-aging qualities. Aloe vera is suitable for all skin types. It can moisturize the skin without making it greasy. And we need some lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil detoxifies skin, it heals dry skin, it provides sunburn relief, and it also soothes acne. And we need some rose water. Rose water soothes dry skin. It is rich in antioxidants. It reduces excess oil. It smooths wrinkles. It hydrates deeply. And the best thing is, it is suitable for all skin types. And we need some vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E rejuvenates and restores dehydrated skin. It moisturizes the skin. It reverses premature skin aging. It lightens dark spots. And it prevents wrinkles. And I'm also using sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil contains the following nutrients: vitamin A, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and zinc. Thanks to the vitamin E, sweet almond oil keeps your skin healthy, protects your skin from UV radiation damage, and helps your skin look smooth, soft, and free of fine lines. The fatty acids help your skin retain moisture and can heal chapped and irritated skin. Plus, the vitamin A can help reduce acne. Our last ingredient is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil contains many essential fatty acids, powerful antioxidants, and vitamins. Jojoba oil is naturally gentle and non-irritating, making it perfect for basically every skin type. It balances oily skin, soothes sensitive skin, hydrates dry skin, and can even be used on acne and breakouts. To make the cream, first of all, I'm going to take aloe vera gel and add in 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel into the bowl. Now add in some rose water. I'm going to use 3 teaspoons of rose water. Now you have to mix it well. Once you have mixed it properly, you have to add in 1 teaspoon of almond oil, sweet almond oil. Now I'm gonna add in some vitamin E capsules. Now add in few drops of jojoba oil. I'm gonna add in around 4 drops. And our last ingredient is lavender oil. I'm gonna add in 2 drops of lavender essential oil. Now you have to mix it properly. Once you have mixed it properly, this is how it will look. Once your cream is ready, you can use any small container to store your cream. I'm gonna use this one. So as you guys can see, our homemade night cream is ready. After washing and cleansing, you have to apply it on your face and massage it properly. You can even use this cream on your hands and feet as well. It will moisturize them and give you that glowing and beautiful skin. You can easily store it in the fridge and it will last for more than 2 weeks. So if you guys liked my video, then do like, subscribe, share and comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos as well. I will see you guys later. Bye.